Your brain is not your friend. Yeah, sounds crazy, right? But think about it. Every time you try to do something hard, gym, work, discipline, what happens? A voice appears. Do it later. Rest today. Just one more scroll. That's not you. That's your brain trying to keep you weak. Part 1. Built to break you. Your brain has one job: survival. Not success, not growth, not your dreams, just comfort. That's why it always chooses the easy way, because easy equals safe. But here's the truth. Easy doesn't build strong people. It builds watchers, consumers, people who plan but never move. And the longer you listen to that voice, the more control it gets. Part 2, make pain your fuel. Most people run from pain. Big mistake. Pain is not the enemy. Pain is the price. You want growth? You pay in discomfort. So next time your brain says, I don't feel like it, you say, good. That means this is exactly what I need. Now pain becomes your trigger, not your stop sign. Part 3, the 3-second kill switch. This is where most people lose. Hesitation. You think too much, and boom, opportunity gone. So here's the rule. You have 3 seconds. That's it. 3, 2, 1. Move. No thinking, no debating. Because action kills overthinking. And hesitation? That's how your brain traps you. Part 4, daily war mode. You don't need a perfect routine. You need one thing: daily discomfort. Cold shower, workout, deep work. Doing something